Hey everyone, Justin Benz, your new construction specialist here in Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch. I'm over at Dell Webb Catalina doing a quick update tour here of the community in early 2026. Here are the pickleball courts. That building behind me is the lifestyle house. So those are early amenities. Of course, behind that, there are the fully furnished and decorated models to come view, and tons of palm trees in this community. It is 78 degrees and sunny here in Southwest Florida, early January. So if any of you are watching this up north, sitting in the cold, come on down, look me up, give me a call, shoot me a text. Let's go tour some communities, find you a nice snowbird place. Dell Webb Catalina is a massive 735-acre community featuring nearly 200 acres of lakes, 100 acres of preserve, 12 miles of pathways, walking trails, and sidewalks. There's going to be 1,300 front doors here, meaning 1,300 residences. And this is specifically tailored to 55 and over, very active lifestyle. The resort style amenities are just endless. Overlooking a 70-acre lake, there's a 35,000 square foot stunning clubhouse, state-of-the-art fitness center, aerobics room, spa, poolside cabanas, fire pit lounge, resistance pool, golf simulator, arcade, wellness center, 5 tennis courts, 4 bocce ball courts, 12 pickleball courts, including 8 covered with a pickleball facility, and a whole lot more in this amazing Dell Webb community. So if you're ready to soak in the Florida lifestyle, you're 55 years and older, looking to make a move down to Lakewood Ranch, live the dream in this very active, very plentiful community. They have 16 different floor plans to choose from. They have 1,400 square foot villas up to 4,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 2-story homes running about $1 million on the base price. All right, folks, there you go. That is your 2026 January, early 2026 update here at Dell Webb Catalina. I swear every time I come out here, there are people touring the models. This is going to be a popular one as they build this. They continue to build this out. Tons of palm trees, 12 miles of walking trails, bunch of man-made reservoirs sprinkled throughout the community to give you that lake view feel. Like I said, 78 degrees and sunny here January 7th. Cannot beat that. If you're sitting up north, come on down. If you need a place to hang out for the winters or a full year-round spot to call home, this is a great option. They're gonna really deck this place out with full amenities as it continues to grow. For now, they just got the bare bones, pickleball, gym, putting green, stuff like that. So give me a call. I look forward to helping you. If this one isn't a fit for you, I'm sure I got another option in Lakewood Ranch. So let's talk.